So we really didn't have much going on today, but I just heard an advertisement that made me take pause. Go grab a food scale, hold on to the end because you'll want to know why, and head out and check out something that sounded very intriguing to me, and I think you're going to like it.
If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Okay, everybody, welcome back to Buzz with Your Cuz. Today we are at Arby's. Why? Because they have a brand new Wagyu Steakhouse Burger that we need to try on your behalf. If you go to Arby's, comment below. If you don't, comment below. Follow us inside. Let's see what this thing is all about. I can't see grinding up Wagyu beef, but Arby's says yes, so let's go see. You know what? This orange cream shake seems pretty good. I won't eat it with a burger. Maybe the blueberry lemonade. Those are actually some pretty nice offerings for the summer. Here it is. Looks pretty stacked so far, right? Oh, and it is. Got the sauce on there. The burger patty is nice and thick. This is as advertised. So I brought my food scale here to see exactly how much burger we're getting for $6.99, which looks like a really damn good deal at $6.99 based on what we can see. So let's get this thing weighed in. I think we're on grams so that we have nice round even numbers. Total weight 249 grams. That's a pretty hefty burger. Now what we'll do is find out how much is bun. Well, it's a little difficult because we got onions and things on here. 89 grams worth of bun. And let's see how much beef we got. A whopping 116 grams of beef. That's a major league burger for a fast food joint. All right, let's taste this thing. Blur this out. This is pretty damn good. I'm shocked. I haven't been to Arby's in years. Let that sink in.
I like the flavor, and it's thick. The burger itself is pretty thick, and I, for one, do not like hamburgers from a fast food place. I'm like, it's a nice saltiness. The cheese tastes real, like a real slice of American cheese. I would say I really like it. It's good. Feels like good quality.
Let's add bacon next time.
Yes.
And the staff is very friendly here.
Yeah, they are.
Look at the cook on that burger. It actually looks like they may have cooked it here. I don't know. We could probably ask them and they would tell us. But either way, not disappointed. This is $6.99 well spent. All right, so what did we learn? Steakhouse Wagyu burger, pretty damn good. It's a limited time, not every location. We found out that it's 51% American Wagyu beef, 49% ground beef. Either way, it was 100% delicious. I am thoroughly impressed. Arby's, again, we don't come here a lot, but I think I may start coming again. That is your Buzz with Your Cuz.